So you're responsible for the on-site installation of your ClickShare Hub? Let's start unboxing. Here's what you need. Beginning with the base unit. This will look a bit different if you've got the Core or Pro version, but the installation process is the same. You'll also find a wall mount disc, a power supply plus cable, 1 or 2 next-gen ClickShare buttons depending on your hub model, and the control panel. First, plug the USB-C power cable into the power outlet of the base unit. Now connect the Ethernet cable to the RJ45 port. The USB-A port is meant for your AV peripherals, such as a video bar. Go ahead and connect it. Your display, or displays if you have the Pro version, can be connected through the HDMI port. Now take the long USB-C cable, the one with source and display written on it. The end with source on it goes into the ClickShare Hub, and the display end goes into the control panel. Unscrew the little lid and plug it in. Your device will now boot up, and you'll be able to set up your meeting service provider.